How to add a clickable link in Instagram Reels. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose. I'm here to guide you on how to add clickable link in Instagram Reels. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Instagram app on your device. Log into your account. Now tap the plus icon at bottom center to create content. Now tap on Reel icon at bottom right corner of the screen. And after you are on this Reel tab, you simply need to create a Reel, or you can also upload an existing one. Once done, tap on the next icon at bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are done with that, you need to select the sticker icon at bottom left corner of the screen. Now tap search bar and type in link in bio. Now you can choose any kind of sticker from the GP sections or emoji as well. Now you can simply select any sticker of your choice and position the sticker in your link. And then you need to tap on the next icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Now you can simply write a caption and then share to post the reel. Now tap on share icon at bottom right corner of the screen. If you do this way, then you cannot directly add a clickable link in Instagram Reel. So what you can do is simply you need to add the link on your bio. To do that, you need to head over the profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Now select edit profile at bottom left corner, and then you need to simply select add link. Tap add external link, and here you need to enter the URL and then tap on title section and enter the title. Once done, you need to tap on the tick mark at top right corner of the screen and add external link on your bio. And after that, if someone's open that link from your bio, then they can easily click the link and get to the particular site. So that's how we can easily add clickable link on Instagram Reels. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.